What's up everybody? Dwayne Avalos here. Today's special day because it's the birthday of our kuya, our director, Edward Matuguina. Here with me now is the birthday boy.
Hello, good morning. Happy birthday
Edward.
to me.
And his artista.
I am really sorry, I'm so tired. I just came from Japan actually.
Wow, amazing, isn't it? Yeah. So now let's shoot some B-roll. First visit here in Naga done. We arrive at our second pit stop, which is the Molave Milkstation. It's very amazing in here. As you can see, you feel the forest. Look, it's just alongside the road, main highway. So it's actually my first time here. And go see and shoot some B-roll. Bye. So your trip here wouldn't be complete if you haven't tasted their fresh milk cow. So I have here with me their fresh milk cow, so I'm gonna taste it. So let's see. Somewhat there's a bitter taste, but it's really fresh. It's really amazing. It's good for your bones. Yeah, amazing. And we're just waiting for our food. So the food here is just like traditional Filipino taste, like the malunggay with chicken and so much more. So we'll see. This is what they call the traditional Filipino food. Ooh. Chicken with malunggay, pork, and one is the mungo with chicharon. Amazing. Very tasty. We're done. We're so full. The food here is very tasty, very yummy. Next stop would be the Mantayupan Falls, which is known as the highest falls in Cebu as per Nope. So let's see. See ya guys. So we're now here at Mantayupan Falls and I'm gonna explore this place. Let's see.
Dying inside to hold you. I couldn't believe what I felt for you. Dying inside, I was dying inside. Hey! I couldn't get myself to touch you.
So we're now here in Samboan, specifically in the Aguinid Falls. I'm gonna swim the highest falls.
According to Noob. And who is this guy? This guy with big muscle, a frustrated model, a frustrated muscle builder, and also
Samboan is such a nice place. Very quiet, very peaceful, and it's just like the province. So I'm so excited here to witness an actual falls. Their famous falls called the Aguinid Falls. So come on and shoot some B-roll. So after the waterfall experience in the Samboan, we just have to drop by here at the Thunderboard. We haven't ate our lunch yet, and it's 3:30. So we're gonna eat now, and that island over there is what you call the Sumilan Island. It's an amazing place. So I wish I'm gonna go there soon. The boys here eating our lunch. What's up? The birthday boy.
Lugaw ni
Red.
Bossing.
Kikoy Don John, the Don. And the artist. No, Snow Bear.
Yeah, small
Fresh
ones.
from Japan.
You know,
Amazing.
from the Philippines.
Konnichiwa.
Arigato.
Arigato.